This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locating your EPIC number or the application reference. This is essential. Once done, open your state chief electoral officer portal or the NVSP site and pick the voter services or track application page. Make sure your mobile is nearby for OTP or SMS confirmation. Enter basic fields first, name, DOB, EPIC, then solve the CAPTCHA. This first step establishes a secure query, and you'll immediately see whether the application exists. If not, note the error and prepare the alternative route. Next, you complete the detailed query form. Type EPIC or application ID, full name and date of birth, then submit. Pay attention to stage labels, submitted under verification, certificate generation, dispatch, or ready to print, because each indicates specific actions pending. If you see under verification, expect field verification. If ready to print, the card is being produced. Make sure to copy the reference number and any timestamps. You'll need them when calling the helpline or contacting the booth-level officer later. Finally, when the status shows dispatched or ready to print, go to the pickup center with your acknowledgement slip and original ID, present these, and collect the card. If the status shows an error or requires correction, submit the correction form online or visit the local electoral office with supporting documents. If nothing updates after reasonable time, contact your booth-level officer or the state helpline and provide reference numbers. That single troubleshooting tip, escalate with evidence, usually resolves stuck applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.